Hi guys, welcome to the Zip air filter installation video. In this video, we will show you how to install the new Zip air filter in your car through a step-by-step process. Before opening the box, check the name of the car model on the packaging to ensure that the filter you are using is meant for your car. Turn the ignition off and wait for 10 to 15 minutes before opening the hood as the car internals might be hot. Open the hood of the car by pressing the hood release button, which is usually located below the steering wheel or under the door on the driver's side. Make sure that you're wearing gloves before touching any car internals. Open and mount the hood securely before proceeding further. Locate the air filter housing. It is usually in the form of a plastic box secured with clamps, which is located near the engine compartment. Unclamp the housing using your hands. In some cars, you might be required to unscrew before you can remove the housing. You can refer to your car's manual for the same. Disconnect the air intake pipe and open the air filter housing. Carefully note how the filter was installed while you take it out. Now, clean the housing with a cloth. Open the box and take out the Zip air filter from it. Here you can see that the dirty air filter is mostly black or dark grey in color due to the impurities it has absorbed. Insert the new Zip air filter, making sure that the filter mesh faces downwards and the rubber rim faces upwards. Finally, close the housing and put back all the clamps in place. Reconnect the air intake securely. Close the car hood and you're good to go. You have successfully installed the Zip air filter in your car. That's all there is to get the fresh air into your engine. For more information, you can reach out to us on our website, WhatsApp, mail, and other social media handles.